Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Frontline First Aid Supply. So I'm on a home page, and I love that you mentioned what you are selling here in the hero banner. It would be much better to show one of your products here and then link to the product with call to action such as shop now. It will help you convert a little bit better. The website feels a little bit bare. My first impression, if I'm honest, I thought it's one of those error messages pages that say the domain name is not working, because it is very generic and it doesn't really show any of the images above the fold. So remember to optimize a little bit better. I'm not sure if this theme is really working the best for you. I am not entirely sure if it's Shopify website actually, so I'll quickly check. Okay, it didn't give me any information apart from the fact that it is being connected to Amazon through different websites, however, web hosting on Amazon. However, it doesn't look like Shopify website. Um, Obviously, my website audits are can be used on any website, so I'm happy to review your site, although I specialize in Shopify. So I see this is maybe like a gateway website because you sell mainly on Amazon, and this is affiliate website, I understand. Yeah, you are selling mainly on Amazon, this affiliate website, so I'm not sure if I will be able to help you because, as I mentioned, I do not specialize in this kind of affiliate website. It's packed with ads. It is I don't think your main goal is to run it for a long time, just maybe just during the COVID-19. Obviously later on you will change the stock, which is very smart, obviously, but I'm not sure how my advice, how my specialty will help you in any way, because I specialize mainly in SEO, website design. So mm, it's completely different approach than affiliate website. So I hope you found it helpful in any way, and thank you so much for your interest. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.